and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda Audish with Audish Designs, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the most beautiful DIY candles ever, okay? I think these make a great gift to anyone in your family or your friends, whether it is for the holidays or for someone's birthday, even for your own home. These are very aesthetically pleasing, they smell amazing, and they make a great gift to anyone because they are handmade and they can be personalized to the person that you're actually gifting it to. So I will be linking down below all of the materials that I use to achieve these beautiful candles. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and let's go ahead and get rocking and rolling. For this project, I used 4 mason jars that I got from the dollar store, and I went ahead and wrapped it with some painter's tape. I left about 1.5 inches on the bottom where I'm going to apply spray paint later. You also want to ensure that the top of the jars are fully covered with this tape so that we're not getting any spray paint inside of the jars, because that will damage our candles. Next, we're going to go in with the Rust-Oleum metallic paint, and we're going to spray paint the bottom of each jar. For this project, you're going to need lavender flowers. I actually got these from Amazon. They're absolutely beautiful and they smell great. I'm going to go ahead and link them down below for you guys. Next, you're going to need scented wax, and I actually got this in the scent of vanilla from Walmart. I purchased a total of 4, and this is going to provide you that vanilla scent without having to create your own, which makes this process much easier. Next, you're going to need some candle wicks as well as the candle wick holders, and I purchased these 2 from Amazon, and I'll link them down below for you guys as well. You're also going to need a measuring cup. I have one here that measures up to 4 cups, as well as 5 pounds of soy wax, and I'm also going to link this down below for you guys. And these are all of the materials that you're going to need to create these beautiful candles. I'm going to begin by boiling the water. So I actually filled up my pot here about halfway, and I put the temperature on high. Then I poured in some of that soy wax into my measuring cup. As you can see here, guys, I did a little bit more than 4 cups. Once the water is boiling, you're going to reduce the heat to medium-low. Next, we're going to place the measuring cup with the wax inside of the pot, and you're going to let it sit there until the wax fully melts. You can take a spoon and move the wax around. This is really up to you guys, but this will expedite the process of melting that wax. While we wait for that wax to melt, we could go ahead and remove all of the tape from the mason jars. As you can see here, guys, on the bottom, there are some fingerprints due to the cold weather that we have here in Virginia, but this will not be an issue later. Now that the wax is almost fully melted, I went ahead and added these scented cubes, and I added about 6 to each candle. And again, guys, this just makes this process so much easier because we're not having to actually create our own scent. Once all of the cubes as well as the candle wax is fully melted, we're just going to give it a good mix, and then of course pour in our wax. When handling the wax, you definitely want to make sure to have protective gear because this wax is very, very hot, and the last thing that you want is to burn yourself. So next, we're going to grab our candle wicks, and we're going to dip them in the wax so we can attach them to the bottom of the mason jars. Once the wax on your wick is fully dried, then you're going to go ahead and grab the wick holder and attach it to that wick so that it stays in place when you are pouring in the wax. Now you want to ensure, guys, that you pour it slow enough so that it's not creating any indentions in your candle or anything crazy. So as you can see here, I'm not pouring too slow or too fast. to add some lavender flowers to the top to your liking. Once the candle is fully dried, you're going to go ahead and clip the wick to about 1/2 inch. And now it is time to decorate. So I actually got this wax stamp kit from Walmart. It comes with 3 different candles as well as 2 different stamps. And of course, we're going to be utilizing the silver one to match the candle. We're also going to need these deco tags with twine that I actually got from Walmart as well. So we're going to begin by taking out all of our materials here. I went ahead and screwed in the stamp that I wanted to utilize, which is this beautiful one here. Then we're going to light up our silver candle and drip the wax on the tag to a diameter that is about the same size of the stamp so we can achieve a perfect stamp. Once we have that beautiful stamp, we're going to go ahead and write whatever you like to write on the tags. I personally put "Made with Love" and clip the bottom of the tag to the size that I actually wanted. Then we're going to grab the twine and we are going to wrap it around the candle and attach the tag to it. And this is how they turned out, you guys. I absolutely love them. They make a great gift to anyone. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next week with another great DIY. Thanks for watching.